Right, it's Monday and we're into the second week of our lockdown restrictions, whatever you want to call it. And today I'm going to do the inside of the van. I'm going to give the inside of the van a good clean. Right, so this is what I use. First of all, I'm going to do the inside windows with Autoglim's Fast Glass. I'm going to use a bit of kitchen towel for that. I'm going to use Thetford's bathroom cleaner for doing the washroom. Notice it's called bathroom cleaner. I'm going to use this for cleaning the cooker. I've only got a little bit of this left. I got this free at the Glasgow show, I think it was, camper, and it works very well. So when I possibly can, I'll get a bigger bottle of it. But that works really well on the cooker. Bit of furniture polish, Mr. Sheen. And I'm going to use that for the dashboard and the cupboards and sort of other sort of surfaces like the walls and that sort of thing. Only a little bit. Don't do too much of it. Just gently wipe it in. Turn it around, turn the cloth round and dry it off. What I will do is we'll open the windows and I'll do the edges. Once we're here, we've got plenty of time, haven't we? Never get this to work. Come on. That's it. I'll go outside and clean around the edges. The edges don't normally get done. And I'll repeat that on all the acrylic windows, all the plastic windows. I think the other thing that's worth doing whilst you've got the windows open is actually put a bit of the seal lubricant on there. This is silicone spray, so I'm just going to spray it round the rubber parts of the window surround. Ow. I'll try to get it on the rest of the van either. Wipe the keep the rubbers in good condition. That's it. A bit too much on there. Try not to spray it directly into the radio. So I'm just using the fast glass on the side windows. Glass windows, and I'll use it on the windscreen as well. Like I say, I can't show you that because it will reveal where we are. At home, obviously. Okay. Well, I'm going to need a good clean. Take that indoors and put that in the dishwasher. I've had the fridge switched off for a while, so there's a bit of water in there where it's melted, so I just need to mop that up first. That's not too bad. Clean that separately. No, it's not too bad in there, so bathroom cleaner. Start at the top and work our way down. So this stuff you just basically spray on and wipe off. You can take the drawers out. Makes them easier to clean. Right, giving the fridge a good clean, but there is a way that you can leave the fridge door slightly open if you're going to be leaving it for a long time. It took a bit of figuring out, but I actually had to refer to the manual. So there's a hook thing here. It's actually quite difficult to get a hold of, but you can pull it out, and that, in theory, will clip onto there and leave it open. But there's also one at the bottom as well, so we'll do that one. Might be easier to see, possibly. Oh, it's quite stiff to pull out, especially doing it one. There we go. Yeah, so that pulls out. You can see that pulls out, and that clips onto that latch there. I think that's the idea. That's it, and that leaves the fridge door open for a bit of ventilation. So you just pull it that way to open it. Well, I thought I'd show you this because I'm going to clean this window here, this skylight, but this is the first time I've had this open. So what you do is you pull this catch and that unlocks that one. There's another one on this side that unlocks that, and then there's a winder handle here, quite stiff to start with. It gets the sunroof open. I can give it a bit of a clean then. Of course, still going. Oh, look at that, bit of blue sky. Obviously clean this bit here as well. And the same with this roof as well. Oh, try not to spray it into the camera. I'll give that a wipe. Right, and I'll give them the other two skylights a bit of a wipe down as well. This one here in the washroom. Let's give this a wipe as well. Underneath. Bit mucky down here. that does come off. Let's find a bit of a struggle there. Yeah. It does mean that you can get around the back of it, which is really handy and get into those corners. Once you've got it clean, you can give it a good wipe then. So it means you can get down the back as well. Real fiddle getting this back on, but once you've got it on, it's fine. Right, this is the bit I don't like, is doing the shower. Obviously it's pretty mucky on the floor because we've had the thermal screen in there. So anyway, I'm going to give it a wash. Kneel down in there and do the cleaning. Right, I think all that's left as far as the work surfaces goes is the kitchen area and the cooker, so I'll give that a little clean now. Right, the cooker always seems to get a load of crumbs on it, so let's give that a go. I don't know if you noticed on these new cookers, but they're held in by like 3 rubber holes now, so there's only like 3 places where the grill attaches, so you just pull that off, but really need to give this a good clean. So I'm going to use this stuff, but I think what I'll do is I'll get the vacuum cleaner on it and just get rid of some of the crumbs first. More kitchen towel. I think I've used my complete supply of kitchen towel on it. This stuff does work quite well. Get the dry piece to try and polish it up a little bit. That's better. Put the cover back. Right, mustn't forget the glass at the back, so back to the glass cleaner. There's always the fiddliest bits to clean around the cooker knobs. They get greasy, don't they? Right, oven glass. This side as well. I've spilled something in there. Use a bit of bathroom cleaner in the oven. It's not particularly mucky, just a bit dusty. Don't worry about the scratch this sink is, but to be honest, it's going to get scratched. It's stainless steel. I'm going to try some flash on it, see if I can get there's a few stains on here. Got a bowl of water. The trouble with draining the water down, of course, is that you've got no water in the van. That's better. Right, that's everything back in there, hopefully. Let's see if we've got anything. This mat we got from Alien has been brilliant. Pet Rebellion. You can see how much muck it's picked up. And it can be washed, so I'm going to wash it. I also think my slippers have had their day now, so I'm going to get some new ones. But there we are. I had some slippers in the van as well, so these become my new house slippers for a while at least. Right, just whip the front carpets out quickly. I'm not gonna clean them as such. I'm not gonna get the carpet shampoo on them, but I'm just gonna have a brush around here. And perhaps put a bit of floor wipe down. I'm going to do the floor with these floor wipes. Get in there. Right, that's it. Give the van a good clean. Save doing the outside for another day, but I thought I'd give you an insight into how I clean the inside of the van. Now I've got the time to do it. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe, hit the notifications icon. I'll bring you some more videos. That's all I can do. So I'll see you soon. Bye then.